Morning! It's 5:48 ng umaga ng day 2. Okay, go!
Hi! It's morning time to the wages for mommy and daddy and Dian and mom and Dion. Bye-bye!
Bye! Day 2 of our Quran escapade.
Yeah.
What are you looking there?
What is escape?
It's like an adventure. You slept through the night, ah? You did not wake up, ah?
Yeah.
Today we're gonna go island hopping.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to have our breakfast for day 2. Be careful. Be careful, Dayon. Doon tayo sa table. Go. Diyan, Day. Left. Table, Day. Diyan dito.
Naribang na kami. At pupunta kami ng Royalty Park.
Malati. Parang.
Royalty Park. Tsaka magbangka tayo.
Ay, upo sige. Tara po. Oh, ito na kami, day 2. Antay lang kami ng
Diyan naman.
bangka. Papuntang sa
Five destination.
our destination. Antay lang kami ng kasama namin. Adiyan, go.
Hi! Bigyan na photo like that. Bye-bye.
Yan, sasakay na kami sa boat for our day 1 island tour here in Coron. Look at that, Dion. So pogi. Dylan, so pogi. Mami, so ganda. Hi, Mami.
I love you, Dad.
Love you, Mami. Here's our boat. Big boat, oh. Yun. Ang ng boat natin. Pawisan na kasi kuya diyan, ah. Hello, Mami. Toilet dun sa likod, CR. Hello, sir.
Ano po, maligay ang pagdating po. Magandang pagdating po yung first stop natin dito. Moral Garden po yung
Hello, we're en route na. Dito na kami sa Coral Reef. Snorkeling muna kami din. Snorkeling ka? Yes. Ayos, okay. Hello.
Ayun, napapasama na ako. Yes.
Pahanap na lang po ng channel namin.
Salapit na daw, salapit.
Ayan si Kuya.
Welcome to my vlog too.
Laylan, oh. Laylan.
Hi, sir.
Where are you?
We're in Coral Reef.
Ah, sige. Galing ka ba mag-float?
Opo. Sige yun. Parang ako lumalangon.
Hi, Dylan. Dylan, look at this. Dion, Daddy. Daddy. Daddy, kaya mo? We're here inside the Crystal Kayak. Dylan, where are you?
Palit tayo ng hat. Palit tayo ng hat. Sa itong ano. Sige, palit tayo.
Wow, look at this.
Huwag ka na tumalikod, huwag ka tumalikod. Palit tayo.
Dylan, sarap ito ka na.
Wala na. Ayan. Sa local government na po yung ano yung pagpapalinis yung ganyan. Nag-aasikaso dito. Meron po rin tayo snorkeling area dito mamaya. Ang patawag po dyan ay Buen Reef.
Okay, great. Under the golden light, moon moving slow, feeling so right. Barefoot steps, rhythm in the air. In this summer heat, we don't care. Feel the breezes lifting us high, we're chasing the waves, touching the sky. Together we rise, no looking back. This summer vibe is on the right track. Summer vibes, we're feeling the heat, dancing all night to the ocean beat. Under the stars, we're never alone. This is our time, a summer unknown.
There's the Banol Beach. Ganda. We're gonna have our lunch here.
It's like a paradise.
Like a paradise. Dion, come here. Adults lang kakain, adults.
Bilisan mo na. Pakakainin ka ni Kuya, bahala ka. O, doon ka na. Tiklan ka doon. Hindi ka kakain? Dito lang. O, dyan ka. O, nakakain ang ano mo.
Wow, sarap pa. Akin na lang po yung soft drink. Hindi yan. Hello. We're here at Banol Beach. Banol Beach. We had our lunch here with some watermelon, some fish, chicken. The kids are enjoying the crystal kayak. Hello, Mami. Love you.
Iyawan, I love you, Dave.
Hi! Iyan naman.
Sa vlog lang. Daylan, come on. Ayun na sila, Mami, sa taas. Dayuang tungkayangan. Dayo na mo. Dayo na mo. Welcome. Oh, go, Day.
Wala naman dami.
163, 205.
Sila ma'am, nauna na. Para ano sila.
Kabisado.
Sir, ako naman dala ng ano niyo, sir.
Ako.
Para walang tao.
Magbigay mo.
Huwag mong kalimutan, Be, panalo.
Day, hawak ka, hawak. Sige, go, Day. Ayan, dito na kami. Papunta kaming Kayangan Lake.
Yeah.
Ayan. Last time Daddy was here, walang ganitong steps.
I was so
Di ba 163? Naka 700 ka nga kahapon eh.
okay.
You can do it.
Yes, you can talk to.
Yung top view. Dito muna, Day.
Huh?
Dito muna.
Why?
Ito yung may view. Picture muna tayo. Come here, Day. Ganda ng view dito, oh.
Careful, be careful. Hawak lang. Be,
Daddy muna una, daddy muna.
Sige ko, Dave.
Madulas, ha? After the little bit more. Ayun na, oh. Wow. It's the famous Kayangan Lake. Wow. So cool. Ganda ng tubig.
Hindi na ako nag-anak.
Oh, let's go beyond.
We're here at the Kayangan Lake. Wow.
Beyond, come on, jump.
Wow.
Hold beyond.
Ayan na, bababa na si Dihong. Yan, humawa ka anak ha.
Hold beyond.
How about kaya Daylan? Malakas ang loob niya eh. Katulad kanina day.
It's just a snail. Ito malalang eh. Kailangan kaya mo.
Can I see? Can I see?
Ay, hindi, sorry. Huwag ganun mo kayo. Makakain, mas nila, balikan. Hawak ka dito sa logo.
Ayun, bumitaw na si Dion. Si Dion bumitaw na. Ay naku, pupunta na rin ako. Dion, umawak ka naman. Maghawak ka. Diyan ka lang ha. Let go mo yung life vest. Ah, sige, sige.
Hello, Leland.
But you have a life
Careful mo, man. Slowly, ma'am. Slowly.
Ayan, just let it go.
Sige, paliwala lang.
Sige, mauna na po siya.
Kuya.
Ayun, ano ka kay Kuya? Kuya, pwede ko sa'yo.
Ma'am, dito.
Ayun, kay Kuya ka. Bitawan mo sa yung life. Ready?
Kaya naman. Yan, go. Diba?
Kuya, teka lang. Okay, go.
Dito. Gitna lang kayo, ma'am. Dito. Dahan-dahan lang, ma'am.
Oo, ay. Hi, Dion.
Navigate mo
Tama ito, pwede na.
Hi, Daddy. Kuya.
Ingat lang, ingat.
Oo, ma'am.
Pag tumama ka, aray lang, tiis lang.
Ay, ganun. Ayan, ganun.
Uy, ang cute.
Hi, Daddy.
Ano ulit first name ni Kuya?
Pwede ko.
Freddy. Kuya Freddy, hello to your vlog.
Wow! Thank you, Kuya. We're here inside the Kayanan Cave. So
My whip.
Ma'am, dito na.
What is that? What's that? Mommy, what?
Ma'am, mapabo na yan.
You can go inside na. Hello.
Daddy, picturean mo rin sila. Send mo na lang maya.
Ah, sige. Coron Souvenir Shop. Wow. That's Chef Magnet.
Lagoon.
Wow. Daming items, no?
Lagoon, oh. Punta, Daddy.
Dion, where are you? What are you doing here?
Daddy, kota. This
Car?
one. Bye-bye.
Pick other. Pick another. Marami pa dyan, ha? Daming rep Margarita. Wow. Oy, Mami. That's cool, ah. Ganda. Ganda ng mga rep Margarita. Oh, wow. May mga clock pa rito.
Daddy,